Hello everyone. Hatan is very happy to see you again in the weekend cuisine section. And the dish we will make together today is chicken braised with turmeric, is a traditional, rustic but extremely delicious and nutritious dish in Vietnamese cuisine. Prepare ingredients: chicken 600 g 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 3 lemongrass stalks, 2 shallots, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 chili peppers. Seasoning: fish sauce, sugar, seasoning powder, ground pepper. Cooking oil steps: wash the chicken with diluted salt water, cut into bite-sized pieces about 3 centimeters, wash the lemongrass, crush the root and slice thinly and chop the rest. Shallots, garlic, peel, chop finely. Chili, slice. Put the chicken in a large bowl. Add the marinade ingredients including turmeric powder, minced onion and garlic, 1/2 amount of minced lemongrass, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, seasoning powder, ground pepper. Mix well and marinate for about 30 minutes to let the chicken absorb the spices. Add cooking oil to the pot. When the oil is hot, add the remaining lemongrass and minced onion and garlic and sauté until fragrant. Add the marinated chicken to the pot. Stir quickly over high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is firm and turns a beautiful golden color. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and water to the pot, so that the water just covers the meat. Add the chili, cover the pot and reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Simmer the chicken for about 25 minutes. During the braising process, occasionally open the lid and stir gently so that the chicken is cooked evenly and absorbs the spices. When the sauce thickens, the chicken is soft and the color is rich, the dish is complete. Taste the spices one last time and turn off the stove. Presentation and enjoyment: scoop the turmeric braised chicken onto a plate. Sprinkle a little ground pepper and garnish with a few slices of chili or chopped green onions on top. Turmeric braised chicken is usually enjoyed while it is still hot, served with white rice and a little pickled cucumber, or boiled vegetables for a very complete taste. Things to note: to have a beautiful color, you can caramelize the color before braising the chicken. If you don't want to be too fussy, just use sugar to marinate and braise directly, the chicken color will still be beautiful. Do not braise for too long, over 40 minutes, because it will make the chicken meat loose and lose its toughness. However, if you use industrial chicken or chicken thighs, you can braise it faster. The amount of lemongrass and chili can be increased or decreased depending on your preference for aroma and spiciness. Lemongrass helps the dish to be fragrant, overpowering the fishy smell of chicken. Chicken braised with turmeric is a traditional, rustic but extremely delicious and nutritious dish in Vietnamese cuisine. The characteristic of this dish is the beautiful golden color from fresh turmeric or turmeric powder, combined with the characteristic aroma of turmeric, lemongrass, ginger and the rich, moderately salty and sweet taste of the sauce. After being braised, the chicken is soft but still retains its chewy texture, and is well seasoned. Turmeric is also known for its many health benefits, making this dish even more popular. Thank you for your interest and enthusiastic follow-up of this video. Wishing you always have delicious meals with your loved ones. Do not forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next delicious dishes from Hatan.